Hello, lovely one. Let's solve this beautiful equation together. I tell you, it's just so easy. I'm going to take you through it step by step. So we're going to begin with solution. So this is what we have. 4 to the power of x minus 2 is equal to 40. Now, what do we do? Can we express 40 in powers of 4? You know it's not possible. So at this point, we can just take the log of both sides. So we have log of 4 to the power of x minus 2 is equal to log of 40. Now, what do you do next? Just remember this is power of this 4. Remember, for every log of a to the power of x, the power multiplies, so it gives you x log a. So let's apply this logarithmic rule on the above, on the left side. To do that, we are going to now have, so this gives us, this power multiplies, so we have x minus 2 log 4 is equal to log 40. What do you do next? We are going to also have it that, remember, this is the same as, if you use this to distribute into this, it gives you x log 4, then this multiplies this. Just see what we did. So this will multiply to give us negative 2 log 4. Did you see that? And is equal to log of 40. So what do we do next? Our target is x, so we need to remove this. To do that, you add to both sides. So we are going to do x log 4. This is negative, so you add to both sides. It's going to give you log of 40. This becomes plus 2 log 4. And what do you do next? You are going to get x, so clear by dividing by log of 4, and you do it to both sides. So this is what we have. This can cancel this, so you have x is equal to, now for this, you can use this to divide each numerators. So it gives you log of 40 divided by log of 4 plus 2 log 4 divided by log of 4. Did you observe anything? Yes, you observe that these two and these are the same, so you cancel them out. So let's simplify this. And if you are a returning viewer, thank you for choosing to learn through us. If you are still new, hit that subscription button. And if you find this teaching interesting, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Share it so that the algorithm sends it to more people that need these skills. Let's do this together to have. So from here, we now have x is equal to log of 40 divided by log of 4 plus, for dividing this, we got 2. Now, what do you do next? Just remember that this 40 is not simplified. 40 is the same as 2 multiplies 20. 20 is the same as 2 multiplies 10. And 10 is the same as 2 multiplies 5. So it means that 40 is the same as this. Did you see that? So we're going to replace 40 with what we have. And this 2 is multiplied 3 times. So it means that 40 is 2 to the power of 3 multiplied by 5. And what about 4? We know that 4 is the same as 2 multiplied by 2, which is 2 squared. So we're going to replace this here to help us to simplify. So if you do that, we are going to have x is equal to, for this, we are going to have log of this, which is 2 cubed. So we can clean this off. So we have 2 cubed multiplied by 5. That is for 40. Then we have plus 2. And this is divided by, for dividing, we have divided by, this is the same as log of, so we have log of 2 squared. Now, what do you do next? Just remember this rule of logarithm that says, for every log of a multiplied by b, it's always log of a plus log of b. So we're going to apply this rule of logarithm here. So to do that, we have x is log of 2 cubed, multiplication turns to addition of log. So we have log of 5, and this is divided by log of 2 squared, add 2. Keep simplifying. This is the same as x is equal to log of 2 cubed. Use this to divide each numerators. So we divide this by log of 2 squared plus log of 5 divided by log of 2 squared, then add 2. So what do you do next? Remember we said the power multiplies the log. So this means x is 3 log 2 divided. This will multiply, so we have 2 log 2 plus this will give us log of 5 divided. This multiplies, we have 2 log 2, then add 2. Keep solving. So we now have x is equal to, this can take this off, so we have 3 on 2 plus log of 5 divided by 2 log 2, then add 2. So what do you do at this point? Just quickly remember, for every log of A divided by log of B, it's always log of A base B. This is your change of base rule. So we're going to apply this here to have. So this gives us x is equal to 3 on 2 plus, remember the coefficient here is 1. So it's going to be 1 divided by 2 log 5. Then this gives us base 2. Let's do this one. So we have log 5 base 2, then add 2. Now at this point, these two are the same. They are constant, so you can add them together to have. So we have x is equal to 3 on 2, add these 2, plus half log 5 base 2. So let's add these two together. This is the same as x is equal to, dividing 3 by 2 is 1/2, add 2. So we have plus half log 5 base 2. And when you have these two, add them, it gives you 3 and 1/2. And that is the same as using this to multiply, gives you 6. And then add this to it, it gives you 7. So this is the same as 7 on 2. So in that case, we are going to have, adding this together has given us this. So we have x is equal to 7 on 2 plus half 1/2 of log of 5 base 2. And this gives us the simplified value of x. Now at this point, we are going to plug this x value on the left side to see if it gives us back 40. That is the most interesting part you wouldn't want to miss. And I hope you've already given us a thumbs up. Let's verify this together to have. To verify, so we have 4, our x is this, so we have 7 on 2 plus 1/2 log 5 base 2. Remember to take 2 away. We want to know if this will be equal to 40. So let's keep simplifying. We have 4. These two are the same. So we have 7 on 2 minus 2 plus 1/2 log 5 base 2. So subtracting this, remember 7 on 2 is the same as 3 and 1/2. Did you see that? And that is minus 2. So if you subtract this, it gives you 1 and 1/2. So this is going to give us, so for simplifying this, this is what we have. So we are going to now have 4 to the power of, remember this is also the same, multiply this, it gives you 2, then add 1, it gives you 3 on 2. So this is the same as this. So simplifying this gives us this, then plus 1/2 of log of 5 base 2. Keep simplifying. So at this point, also remember that for every a to the power of m plus n, it is a to the power of m. Addition sign turns to multiplication. So we apply it here. This is the power. Did you see? So we want to put this in this form, just like putting this in this form. So that's going to give us 4 to the power of 3 on 2. Then this addition at the power turns to multiplication. So we have 4 to the power of 1/2 log 5 base 2. So we keep simplifying this, and this is going to give us, remember 4 is 2 raised to power 2, and is raised to power of 3 on 2, multiply. The same thing here, 2 squared is raised to power of half log 5 base 2. Now remember quickly, for every a to the power of m raised to power n, the powers will always multiply. So if you apply it here, we are going to have 2 to the power of 2 multiplied by 3 on 2, then multiplied by 2 to the power of 2 multiplied by 1/2 log 5 base 2. So simplify this. What do we have? This is 2 and 1. So this we cancel. So we have 2 to the power of 3 multiplied by 2 to the power. This is on 1. So this cancels. We have log of 5 base 2. Amazing. Now at this point, what do? Just remember, for every a to the power of log b base a, these two bases are the same. It's always equal to this number b. So if you apply it here, you see that these two are the same. We are going to have 2 to the power of 3 multiply. For this, we are going to have 5. And if you simplify this, 2 to the power of 3 is 2 multiplied 3 times 10 multiplied by 5. This gives us 8, and 8 times 5 gives us 10. So it means this is equal to 10. And in conclusion, it means that the value of x we got, so our x we got as 7 on 2 plus 1/2 log 5 base 2 is absolutely correct. Sorry, what we have here is 40. 40, and that is what we have at the right side of the equation. So it means that this is absolutely correct. And I hope you really learned something today. Don't forget to tell us how much. Share this video. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next class. Bye.